is it?
There's a bear.
Where?
Bear in the house. Honey, go to the kitchen.